Magandang hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama po natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Sana'y kayo'y masaya, mayaman, malusog. Yun po ang ating i-claim. Masaya ho tayo ngayong hapon dahil kasama ko po bilang guest dito sa ating palabas ay isang kaibigan. She's one of the greatest actors on Philippine television. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the one and the only, Connie Reyes.
Salamat. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Please, kumusta ka?
Eto, malusog.
But you look very good.
Thank you.
And happy.
Thank you.
Ano yung state of mind mo ngayon?
Ako ngayon,
Oo.
I just want to do my best. Kasabihin na naman mga tao, napaka-religious. Hindi. I just want to do my best in every area of my life to honor God.
Mm-hmm.
And I can't do it alone, boy. So I always ask for His grace. Kaya araw-araw ang panalangin ko, Lord, I acknowledge I'm nothing apart from you. I need you. I can't do anything without you. So please help me through the day and night.
Ganda. Unahin muna natin dito, Connie. We are excited dahil ikay bahagi ng Shining Inheritance.
Yeah, thank you.
Pero ang katanungan, anong meron sa proyektong ito? Anong meron sa Shining Inheritance that you decided to do this?
My character, Oria de la Costa, is a restaurateur. She's an affluent woman. Nagka-dementia ako dito. And Alzheimer's.
Okay.
So, I'm always open to a challenge. Sabi ko, paano ko kaya gagampanan yun? I've played practically every kind of role. From mabait, to mamasan, to bar dancer, you know, all that kinds in my show. Connie Reyes on Camera, which ran for more than 18 years.
More than
total.
18, yes.
Total, including the Connie Reyes on My Drama Studio, on the set, and when
yeah.
I started producing it, Connie Reyes on Camera. So, I played practically every... so, gusto ko naman, nung sinabi sa akin na, you know, you're gonna have dementia here, then Alzheimer's. Actually, may amnesia pa nga siya eh. So, parang how to develop that and let it work while you're in your sane moment. In between all of that, parang that's a big challenge. So I wanted a new challenge. Dahil syempre, di ba, may edad na rin ako. So papunta na rin tayo sa mga age na mga ganun-ganon. So gusto ko makita kung paano ko ba i-attack yun. Then I started reading up on it. I started even looking, you know, for reels about men and women.
And what did you discover?
Guess what? They may forget everything. This is something that's really beautiful. They may forget everything. They may forget the people they love. They may forget what they're eating, what they ate a while ago, what they did just a while ago. But when they're asked, these are those for who know the Lord, no? When they're asked about Jesus, ay nako. Sasabihin, do you know Jesus? Do you know this man? No, husband na yan. Do you know this like this one? Daughter na yan. No. But do you know Jesus? Yes. Jesus is my Lord and Savior. Jesus is in my heart. I love Jesus. So
Wonderful. Pero nais ko lamang i-share sa iyo that I lost Nana in 2019 to dementia. Isang ailment na akala ko naiintindihan ko, hindi ko pala alam. Ang dementia po is the umbrella ailment. Alzheimer's is one
part lang.
Is one part of it. Nakakalimutan nila yung kanilang ginawa kanina. O ngayon, nasaan sila, sino. Pero may mga pagkakataon po sa isang stage ng dementia na pag tinanong mo, Nay, paano kayo nagkakilala ng tatay? Kwento sa'yo in detail. Paano, Nay, yung bumabagno nung kapanahunan dito sa Sama, she'd tell you the whole story. Of course, it comes by stages. But I'll tell you this, at importante po ito sa mga anak, nung huling mga buwan ng nanay na may dementia, galing po ako sa show late evening, ako'y pumupunta sa ospital dahil nasa ICU ang nanay ng ilang buwan. You know, I would sleep there from 12 o'clock midnight to 6 o'clock in the morning. Pag dumating ako at sinabi kong, Nanay, my voice, because she was not verbal anymore. Nanay, nandito na ako, kakain ka, bubukas ang bibig. But she was not talking to us anymore. Luluha, pag nalulungkot, pero wala nang paliwanag. Kaya parati kong sinasabi, make your nanay proud, make your tatay proud. Because one of the best ways to honor God is to honor your parents.
Yes.
Yeah. So, interesting. I didn't know you play a woman who has dementia.
Simple lang, mga early stages, ganun. And then it just develops.
Connie, dito sa Shining Inheritance, you're working with young actors.
Yes.
Nandiyan si Kylene, nandiyan si Kate.
Ako yung pinakamatanda sa set. Lahat kasali, including
Okay.
staff and crew.
Okay, si Paul, and then Michael is there. Kumusta? How is it working with this generation of actors?
Iba-iba sila, boy. Iba-iba ang personalities nila. I could see that they're hungering for something. They have goals. They're trying to reach out and see their goals materialize in different ways.
50 years in the business, the highest and the lowest.
Pertaining to my career?
Yes.
Well, highest. Ano ba yung highest? Ang daming high.
Ang dami.
Ang dami. Ang daming dapat ipagpasalamat, boy. So much to be grateful for.
Okay.
Parang ang dami ding lows.
Ang dami rin. Ang dami.
Ang dami ding lows.
Let's talk about the highlights of your career. Una, you started as a TV girl. Yun ang tawag noon eh.
TV ad girl, TV,
TV
promo
ad
girl.
girl. You used to open the show. Ano nga yan? Ipaliwanag mo nga.
Hindi, kasi
Connie.
noon, there are advertisements that you have to memorize. Walang teleprompters noon, boy. You have to memorize. And then you have to announce the different shows that are coming up for the day and some of the shows for tomorrow. Sabi ko, nakaganyan ako. So you're right here on the Love Channel. Ganyan. Parang at like this time, 9 o'clock. Puro 9 yata yung mga sinabi ko na
Time.
pa-plug ko na time. Tonight at 9 o'clock, you have like this. Tomorrow at 9, and like this. You're right here on the Love Channel, 9. Or rather, I gave the networks
Okay.
real identity, but I don't remember exactly how I did it, but you remember Marshall Sanson.
Yes.
He was the program manager before. Pinatawag ako, boy. Siyempre.
Principal's office.
Parang feeling ko, that's it, man, di ba? Sesante na ako. Wala na. Hindi pa nagtatagal, sesante na. And then he said, I like you. You remind me of Goldie Hawn.
Oh.
Sabi ko, ligtas na ako. Sabi ko, I thought you were gonna find me. No, you did well. I was able to recover right away. I was able to make my boo-boo in a
Magkano ang
cute
sweldo mo
way. Ay, yung unang-una na probationary pa, 60 pesos. Boy, nananakawan pa ako noon. Ay, pasensya na. Hindi ko alam kung buhay pa yon.
Oo.
Hindi.
Okay.
Kasi, no, 2 ways na nakawan ako, boy, as a promo ad girl. May room naman eh. Nalalak naman yun eh. Iniwan ko yung bag ko doon, bagong sweldo ko. So, syempre, di ba, naka-brown envelope yung gano'n nung araw eh. Pagbalik ko, walang pera ko. Parang, ano yun, di ko alam kung magkano. Kasi pag may absent, minsan they call you to take the place of the one who's absent. So, yung araw na yun, parang medyo marami lang yun.
Oo.
mga 4 yata o 5 yung aking 60 pesos. Di ilan na yun?
9 times 4, 360.
Oo. Galing mo
Okay.
sa mata. But anyway, nawala. Ganon. Tapos isang beses naman, meron isang talent coordinator. Sabi niya, ako na lang kukuha ng sweldo mo kasi sarado na minsan pagdating. Diba? Minsan 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, ganyan. Sige. So, ginigyan ko ng endorsement. Authorization endorsement. Tapos, hindi na nagpakita sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi na sinuli sa akin ng mama na yon. Alam ko ang pangalan. Hindi ko lang bubunyag dito.
Let's talk about student canteen. Anong nangyari habang nasa student canteen ka na hindi mo malilimutan sa iyong buhay?
That started January 6, 1975. I started May 1974 sa showbiz. May of 75, I eloped.
Nagtanan ka.
Wala si Connie sa student canteen. Wala rin si Larry Mumar dun sa PBA. Nagtanan yung dalawa. Yun. So, yun. And then, well, tapos na ito, no? Malaking ano ng story. But because because Helen Vela is a very good friend of mine, I was terminated from student canteen.
She got into problems. You fought for her.
Yes, because I couldn't take things sitting down,
Rinig ko yun.
saying things against my friend right in front of me. So I wasn't bastos or anything, boy. I cried.
Oo.
I cried. How can you say these things against Helen? Ganon.
Kailan nangyari ang Eat Bulaga?
Mr. T invited me to join.
Mr. Tony Tuviera
Mr. Tony
po.
Tuviera, whom I love dearly,
Ako rin.
invited me to join. Sabi ko, eto pa nga boy, ayoko pa nga tanggapin before. Kasi sabi ko, ay, nakakahiya sa student canteen. Kasi siyempre, parang ina-acknowledge ko pa rin na nagsimula ako doon ng daily show ko na regular. Tapos may mga nagsabi sa akin, tinanggal ka na nga eh. Tapos inisip ko, may dalawa akong anak at that time, dalawa pa yung anak ko. I had to feed them also. Diba? Well, and I was already having marital problems na nga, ganyan. So, tinanggap ko. That was another highlight in my career.
Right.
Because I did not expect the turnout. And it did something to my career. It talaga helped my career also a lot. So I'm grateful. TVJ, Tito Vic and Joan.
Anong hindi mo lilimutan na karanasan?
Sa Itbulaga?
Yes.
Marami.
Ay, oo naman.
Marami.
How was that? How did you survive that?
Through the help din of mga friends ko, godly friends, no, na
Oo.
hindi rin kasi alam ng tao na I got into deep depression also. Well, actually, even with my first marriage, I
Nung
had
panahon
deep
na yun?
depression. Miski nung first marriage ko, actually, I got into deep depression. Yung ayoko lumabas. Alam mo yung mga kwarto mo na may blinds ka na, may kurtina ka pang isa, tas meron pang isang kurtina. And then I would tell my 2 children that time, I would always tell them, please leave mama alone first.
Talking about your children, L.A. and Carla, paano nila naintindihan ang presensya ni Vic sa buhay mo?
I explained naman eh. Ako kasi I explained
You
to my
explained to your
explained everything.
children.
And they had a good relationship. But, okay na yun. Alam mo boy, that's why I surrendered my life to Jesus. I gave my life to Christ because I don't want my children to be saved. Well, one is, I love the Lord and I really want a new life. And He has helped me. Ayoko kasi dumating yung time na paglaki ng mga anak ko, may sinasabi ako sa kanila, hindi nila ako susundin because sabi nila, bakit ikaw?
Oo.
Di ba? Yung parang, boy, there are many things that are caught, not taught.
Oo.
If they see you doing crazy stuff, they'll eventually do it.
So kinausap mo ang dalawang bata?
Kinausap ko, pero more of by example eh. Nakita nila I was following the Lord. I was turning my back against sin. And they saw what I did.
And when Vico was born, kumusta yung relasyon ng mga bata?
Mahal na mahal nila si Vico until now. Actually, di ba, even Vico really says a lot about his siblings, L.A. and Carla. And si L.A. nga nag-influence sa kanya in a lot of things eh.
How was Vico as a child?
Ano na siya talaga eh. May pag-iisip. May kukwento ko ba to?
Kwento mo na? Oo.
Hindi, pero yan, pag meron akong mga, kunyari, di ba noon, landline eh.
Oo.
Magpakatotoo tayo, may mga taong ayaw natin kausapin kaagad, hindi
Okay.
ba?
Alright.
So my helper was right in front of me and she was telling me who it was. And I wasn't ready to receive a call that time. Parang I wasn't up to receiving a call at that particular time. Andyan si Vico. Sample lang ito eh. Sabihin ko dun sa helper ko, wala ako.
Okay.
Pagtapos, pag-hang up nung helper, sabi sa kanila, Vico was about 3. Mama, you lied. Why did you tell Emmy to say that you're not here? You're here. Parang ganon. Parang yun ang gist ng sinabi niya. Yes, I'm so sorry. I was wrong. I'm sorry. I was wrong. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry, son. Tapos sabi ko, I'll never do it again. That's why I never did it again. So ngayon, may tatawag. Hayaan mo na siyang ring ng ring. Walang sasagot ng telepono.
Ayoko magsinungaling.
Ayun yung magsisinungaling. Walang sasagot ng telepono yun. At saka pagka Pag minsan, pagka medyo masungit ako, ganun, aanihin niya ako, my son will reprimand me. No, he will just say, Ma, you know, kung ano yan, ganun.
Ganun na talaga siya.
Ah,
Lapitin ng girls. Kasi ang gwapo ng anak mong yan. L.A. Carla, patawad, Tito Boy is just talking about Vico right now because he is in public office. Gusto talaga makilala siya ng tao. Ano yun? Lapitin?
huwag na tayo pumasok dyan.
Hindi
Baka
nga.
ano pang
Hindi,
maano ko.
Constancia, totoo.
Siguro, marami kasi
He- he
nagkakagusto talaga. Kahit na
marami.
hindi namin kilala.
Oo,
Diba?
marami talaga.
Marami talaga.
Nakikialam ka.
Hindi. Nakita mo ba ever?
Pero wala bang mga mo?
Nakikialam.
Ito'y usapang kaibigan ha. Ayoko na nga mag-interview.
Meron mga gusto sa, tita, pakilala natin si ganito, si ganyan. Sabi ko, sorry, hindi ako nakikialam. Tapos
wait.
sasabihin nila sa akin, ay, ang strict ni tita. Ay, hindi sa strict. Hindi ako strict. Kung strict ako, di bawal. Wala, hindi ako.
Pero, hindi ka naghahanap. Halimbawa, in
Nasana.
moments when you guys are just the two of you, private, no?
Oo.
Anak, kailan ka mag-aasawa? Gusto ko na magkaapo sa'yo.
tumigil na ako mag-ganon sa kanya.
Pero ginawa mo.
Noong araw, parang, do you have a girlfriend na? Oy, do you like somebody? Ganun. Noon.
Did
Ayoko
he introduce a girlfriend or girlfriends to you?
No.
Talaga?
So ako, well, he had girlfriends.
He
Friends,
had,
mga classmate
oo.
niya before, mga ganyan. And they would all go out as a group, they would go out of town or something like that for a break pag may mga mahirap silang ano. Pero boy, kasi hindi naman ako alam ko that I've raised my children in a way na they know, meron silang fear of God, they know what they're doing.
L.A., Carla, Vico. If you were to say, 50 years in show business, if you were to say to your children, thank you and sorry to each one of them, how would it sound? Let's start with L.A., Connie.
Thank you, son. You've been such a wonderful son and a great brother to Carla and to Vico. Thank you for helping me with them. He has really helped me tremendously kasi sobra siyang understanding and he would explain things to me. Di ba minsan ganun, parang for them.
Kung may ihihingi ka ng tawad,
Hingi ko ng tawad.
Kung meron man.
Siguro that I wasn't there as often as I would want to be. Kasi with L.A. and Carla, si Carla, 1980 siya pinanganak. So, 1981 yung drama ko nag-start. Buntis ako. Kakapanganak ko lang. So, kay Carla yun talagang, I'm sorry talagang, I was at my busiest with Carla. I would do movies. I would do the show. Parang kailangan ko talagang kumita ng pera nung after nagbubuntis ako, after ko siya pinagbuntis. So, I had to,
Carla's time,
Carla, talagang-
you were at your busiest.
I was at my busiest. So, sorry, Carla. I wasn't really there for you as often as I would really want to also. With LA kasi, student canteen lang ako. So, uuwi ako araw-araw ng maaga. So, I had more time with him.
Right.
With Carla, meron akong student canteen, tapos Itbulaga, tapos may drama ako, tapos may movies ako. So, talagang halos laking yaya na siya. So, yun yung ano ko sa kanya.
But if you were to say thank you to her,
Oh, thank you for understanding, Mama. Thank you for being there also for your brothers and even for your nephews. And she's my most thoughtful child.
yeah.
She's my most thoughtful child. She even surprised me with a trip abroad na talagang, yung lahat talaga, yung business class, first class hotel, yung alam niya kung ano yung
Right.
makapagpapasaya sa akin. So, ginagawa niya for me yun.
Ini-spoil si Mama.
Sinespoil niya si Mama.
Vico,
Vico, thank you for understanding Mama and thank you for putting sense into Mama's head many times when I'm not thinking straight. Kasi ano siya hindi siya, you don't have to explain things to him
right.
na matagal. Pero with Vico, I was explaining things to him every year when he was a little boy. Every year his birthday. And he would say, Ma, I know na, you're always telling me that. Every year, you're telling me that. Ganyan siya. But I'm saying sorry. Sorry about the way that he what happened to his father and that he was born that way, that he, So, tawag nito, but he really understood. I did not hide anything from him.
Did you expect?
And 1.5 years old lang siya when I surrendered my life to the Lord.
Tama.
So parang minsan di na niya naaano yung sinasabi ko. Parang,
Kasi sinasabi mo every year.
Forgiven na nga.
birthday
Parang
niya.
paulit-ulit ka pa. Please forgive me. Ganun. I really apologize to my children.
Did you expect him to be in public service?
No.
Talaga?
No. That's why when he ran for councilor at the start, medyo nagulat ako eh. So ako naman, I respect his decisions. I know he doesn't just make a decision overnight like that. Parang he consults, he prays.
Oo.
Yun. So, yun nga, basta I'm so blessed, I'm so proud.
Yeah.
And I just want to encourage him because he's on the right track.
He is.
And God is with him.
Okay. And let's do fast talk.
Parang dito ako ninervyos sa fast talk ni Boy.
Okay. Connie. Connie on camera, Connie at home.
Connie at home.
Connie sa umaga, Connie sa gabi.
Connie sa gabi? Bakit kaya?
Ay, basta.
Hindi, I read a lot. I want to just be alone.
TV or pelikula?
Both.
Host, actress.
Both.
Shining, sparkling.
Shining.
Gold or bold?
Bold.
Kate or...
Pero bold ano ha?
yeah, of course.
Bold, courageous.
Yes. Brave. Okay.
Brave.
Kailin or Kate?
Both.
Mayaman sa pera, mayaman sa pagmamahal.
Both.
Matamis na halik, mahigpit na yakap.
Mahigpit na yakap.
Striktong ina o konsentidor na lola?
Konsentidoran, lola.
Natatawa ka kapag?
Mga ganito, di ba? Nabubuking ako.
Naiinis ka kapag?
Hindi ako naiintindihan.
Naiiyak ka kapag?
Naiiyak ako pag may naririnig ako mga balita tungkol sa mga, kahit sa anak ko, sa mga mahal ko sa buhay na hindi maganda.
Kinikilig ka kapag?
Ano bang kinikilig ako ngayon? Parang hirap na isipin paano kiligin. Kinikilig ako pag nagkakwentuhan, gano'n. Kung ano-ano.
Guilty or not guilty? Inumaga sa gimikan, noon.
Once or twice.
Guilty or not guilty? May pinagalitang artista.
Lagi naman ako may mga pinagsasabihan. Pero in a motherly way, I guess.
Guilty or not guilty? Nautangan ng kapwa-artista. Guilty. Guilty or not guilty? Nanugod ng babae.
I never.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanugod ng...
Pero hindi sa ayaw parang gustong-gusto pero nagpipigil.
Guilty or not guilty? Nanugod ng boyfriend. Guilty or not guilty? Naligawan ng politiko.
Nung araw parang, pero hindi diretso eh. Diba?
Guilty or not guilty? May binasted na artista.
Siyempre, di ba parang di naman totoo kung di tayo
Namana sa'yo ni Vico.
Siguro yung love for the Lord, tsaka yung talagang gustong gawin. Black is black, white is white.
Namana sa'yo ni L.A.
Ganun din, black is black, white is white.
Namana sa'yo ni Carla.
I think lahat sila black is black, white is white. Ayoko ng gray areas.
Yeah.
Eh.
To love or to be loved?
I love to love. But syempre, I want to be loved also.
Self first or others first?
Minsan nagiging others first ako eh. Parang dapat magbalanse talaga.
Is that lights on or lights off?
What am I doing?
I'll give the context to you.
When I'm about to sleep, I want the lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
What kind of happiness? I like happiness, and I like happiness with chocolates.
Best time for happiness?
With my family, my apos. Wow, talaga.
Your shining inheritance in life. Ano ito?
I'd like to think it's my life, my love for the Lord that I want to pass on to my children, my children's children, and the generations after. To obey God, because that's the best place to be is where God wants you to be. The best thing to do is to obey God. Not plan on your own, to always consult Him. That's what I tell my children, and every morning I pray with Vico. Inquire of the Lord.
Yeah.
Inquire of the Lord and let His plan for you, which is the best, prevail.
Connie, bilang isang ina, ngayon sa iyong buhay, ano ang iyong kinatatakutan? Ang kasagutan sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abun. Back of the show with Miss Connie Reyes. Let's go to another highlight muna. Let's talk about bago kumalat ang kamandag kung saan ikay nanalo bilang Best Actor.
Yes.
Tell us more
1983.
about it. Yes.
Diyan nagkabukingan.
Nagkabukingan?
No, because when I was there to accept my award. And so when I did, boy, kasi I'm a very transparent person, and it's just hard for me, even when I wasn't a surrendered Christian yet, to lie. That's why I just try to keep awake. Ako kasi magsalita.
Let's go to the movie.
So, syempre,
Doon
I received my
nagkabukingan,
award.
sabi mo nga.
I received my award. I thanked everybody. I thanked everybody and dedicated it to everybody except my husband.
Talaga.
So, syempre, si Ricky lang, matunog yan, di ba? So, what's
Kaibigan
going
Ricky
on?
Lo. Yeah.
So, nagpa-interview ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, first and last about this issue. Yung naghiwalay na ako. First and last. Tama na.
Another highlight of your career, of course,
Meron
ay yung
pa.
mga drama series. I mean, the anthologies.
Sobrang dami na yun. Ano rin yun, yung mga more than 18 years put together.
Kanina
Yes.
nasabi nga natin, Connie Reyes, bago maging on-cam, may on-set, may studio.
Drama. And then, when I capped it all, I remember it was Charo Concho who suggested that they have like a tribute for me. It's My Turn, the Connie Reyes story. I didn't expect that also to be given to me, to be given the tribute. So, dun sa tribute na yun, nandun si Eddie Larde. Pumayag siya magsalita about me. Mga ganun. Boy, sobrang blessed ako. Ang dami kong dapat pasalamat. Naging roller coaster yung buhay ko. Pero ngayon, at least medyo peaceful ako. Steady lang ako. Hindi ako, I won't say I'm ecstatic about something. Neither am I sad about anything, really.
No, but the word steady is very nice. Found God 1990, sabi mo nga
October
kanina.
29,
That's my birthday.
1990. I know. That's why
That's
I
my
emphasized
birthday.
it. Yes.
birthday.
October 29, 1990.
Naikwento mo nga yung pagkakataon kung paano mo ginawa, you surrendered your life to God. But you inspire, Connie. Siguro ilang henerasyon na ng mga tagapanood at mga tagahanga mo whose lives you've touched. Bago ang 1990, ano yung trigger that made you run to the Lord? What was that trigger? And how did you know na panahon na para lumuhod? Sa harap
Marami
ng
na
Diyos?
kasi nangyari sa life ko, di ba?
Sunod-sunod.
Sunod-sunod yun. And I had a relationship, I thought, with God, with Jesus, no? But it is only just much later that I realized iba yung knowing God. Iba yung knowing God as God na malaki. But having a close relationship, an intimate relationship with God
Iba yun.
is another story. Yung nagpe-pray ka ng rosary, magnonovena ka, punta ka sa church, lumuluhod ka, pero hindi ka naman sumusunod. Hindi mo ginagawa. Wala ka talagang relationship kay Lord pag ganun. So yun, ganun. Parang, yun nga yung sinabi ko sa'yo na, lapit ako noon sa church na ganun. Yung nag-preach noon parang, nung una nga, naiinis pa ako Tapos later sabi ko, pagod na ako. You know what the verse was? Come to me, all you who are weary and heavily laden, I will give you rest. Yan ang sabi ni Lord. Yan talaga, umiyak talaga. Kasi pagod na ako nun, boy. Kasi ayoko naman ng kasalanan Sino bang may gusto, di ba? Ayoko. Ako, at least ako, alam ko, ayaw ko. Hirap na hirap ako. Parang,
Right.
you know, but yun yung sinasabi kasi, minsan yung nagfa-fight talaga ang heart, flesh, you know, yung spirit. That's why you need people around you to really encourage you, inspire you, pray with you, pray for you.
And embrace you.
You know, boy, talaga, I really pray for you.
Thank you.
You know, like, even if I learned about your mother and all that stuff, di ba lagi ko nga sinasabi sa'yo, talagang ibang klase ka talaga sa nanay mo. At dapat talaga sundin ng mga,
Salamat.
masundan yan ng mga iba pang mga,
At bilang nanay, anong kinatatakutan mo?
na makalimutan ako ng mga anak ko. Hindi ba?
Alam mo, Connie, ang prayer ko noon, ayokong makalimutan ako ng nanay ko. I understand that.
And now I want to hug you. I want to hug you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Salamat.
Marami pang papagawa sa'yo si Lord, kaya ka nandito.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Connie.
You inspire. You told me I inspire. You inspire also,
No,
boy.
but, thank you. Thank you. Hear it na lang.
Ano?
Parang beauty
Meron pa?
question ito. Kasi, hindi nyo alam, kami ni Constancia ay nagkita nung siya ay nasa Baron Chaville Girl pa. Connie,
Bata pa tayo noon.
bata pa. Who are you when no one is watching?
I'm Connie, a simple person. You can find in her dusters and with her hair down and tied up sometimes in a clamp. No makeup, just me. Cooking a meal, sometimes for my children. Enjoying that time with my children when my apos visit. That's just me.
And a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful human being.
Oh,
Thank you. Beautiful. Thank you.
thank you, boy.
If we were to do a scene.
Oh, ay, talaga, no?
If we were to, maganda
siya.
kasi ito eh. Halimbawa, binigyan kita ng bulaklak.
Okay.
Dahil may kasalanan akong nagawa and I'm asking for forgiveness. In whatever context it is. Halimbawa, ang pangalan mo ay si Perla. Ako naman ay si, ano bang maganda pa? Robert. Diba? We are friends, old-time friends. And I came here because I brought flowers and I say, Perla, patawad.
Anong ginawa mo ba sa akin? Alam ko ba kung anong ginawa mo? Bakit ba?
Hindi na, ang ganda lang kasi na hindi mo maalala ang nagawa ko sa'yo. Pero alam ko may nagawa kong hindi maganda sa'yo. Inagaw ko ang boyfriend mo.
Ay, boy. Okay lang yun.
Talaga?
Sino ba?
Maraming salamat, Constancia.
Sino nga ba?
Love that.
Dapat may comedy na lang tayo. Mag-comedy na lang tayo.
Pa-comedy na tayo.
Oo.
Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga puso at tahanan araw-araw. Be kind. Make your nanay and taray proud and say thank you. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you.